got to see a lot of good styles and a lot of new launches from major brands like Enamor, Amante. Few highlights that I took from the show is that brands focusing on comfort and style at the same time.
My own personal experience, this is my first lingerie show and I think I actually felt empowered. And first I was very conscious and then I was like, see, there are different bodies everywhere and everyone's so confident and everyone's so happy walking down the ramp, and I think it's a great experience and I'm really happy that we are doing this and we should definitely keep doing it.
Walking in a ramp is like, it's always a cool part of my life actually. The two, as a sportswear and lingerie, all is my excitement of walking, and being confident is more important.
Hi, this is Nisha Harale, the show director of INTIMASIA, and I want to give a big congratulations to Yusuf and his beautiful team. I think it takes everyone's energies to make a successful event, and it truly was. And congratulations, Yusuf, for a brilliant concept. I mean, nobody thought about this and you did.